What's up, you guys? Been wanting to give you a project update on this FairladyZ project. Got it all blasted down. Got the epoxy primer applied under it. All the little jams, nooks and crannies. Got the metal sealed up. So we found the rust and kind of getting it patched up. Decided to replace the entire quarter panel here. Got the inner wheel well panels for both sides to replace. Rear deck seal to replace. Trying to do it right. So just a update on this thing. I want to get all this inside here sealed up with a rust converter, like a POR 15, and have a lot of little stuff to weld up on it, but it's going to be solid again before it gets filler and paint. Got all these little holes circled for the in the engine bay here. We're going to weld this thing up and make it slick, and then where the engine goes. Pretty solid car overall. There's some small rust here we're going to cut out and replace. Got this whole quarter panel for this side, or that quarter panel repair section right there, tacked in. The inner structure replaced. A little bit there to weld up, and she'll be whole again.